Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the cutout pop out effects in Inkscape. If you want your design to look jumps right off the page, the cutout pop-up effect is a stunning technique that uses simple masking and clipping in Inkscape. Now, what you need to prepare is the shape and also the image. And for the image in here, I put it on top or side of the canvas and make it the size same like the page. Here I'm using A4 for the page size. Now you can just drag the shape in here to the uh to the image and layer it on top. So click on this one so it will be on top of the image. And now I'm going to change the color into white. And then I'm going to lower the opacity into 50% like this. Now you can adjust the position of the image. Going to put it like this. Get the hand out. Okay. Now you're going to select everything in here and click on Ctrl D to duplicate it. That will be to this. So you need to copy it 2 times. So this one for the mask, this one for the clipping, and this one for the shadow. Now you'll need to select the number 2 in the mask here, and I'm going to set the opacity back to 100 like this. And now you can hold shift that you select both of this. Now you can go to object, mask, and click on set mask. So it will become like this. Now let's move on to the shadow. So click on number 2 in here and let's make the opacity to go back to 100. You can go to filters and find the shadows. Click on the drop shadows in here. Okay, so for the blur, I'm going to go with 2. And here, horizontal, I'm going to go with a -2. And this one for the vertical object 2. And the shadow tab is the inner cutout. So nothing happens in here. So what you need to do is just enable the live preview and you see this. Now you need to click on apply. And here you can drag this into this one. To go like this. After this, let's do the clipping. You can just select the part that you want to add off the screen. So what you need to do is just click on the pen tool and choose this mode, the spline path, and you can just select the part just like this. The part that you want to out of the frame or out of this number 2 like this. Okay, and also I'm going to go with this ears like that, also the face. So make sure that you follow number 3. Okay, now after this you can just hold on shift and select the tree that you have been cut out or remove its background. Go with this tree and you can go to object, clip, and choose the set clip. After you do that, you can just drag the after you set the clip, you can just drag it into the number 2 and you'll have your cutout effect. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on